Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to delete your Ubisoft Connect account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Ubisoft application. If you don't have one, if you don't know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Ubisoft videos where you can check out how you can actually go and download the actual application. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, as you can see, we have your profile. We have the home, library, store, and Ubisoft Plus. Download manager in the bottom left corner and connect, subscribe in the top right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete your Ubisoft Connect account. So it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps. So click on account information. So basically you need to go to your account, and here you can go to account management or account information. And here you have, of course, separate things, of course, on Ubisoft, your subscriptions, your payments, and everything. And of course, we have them in the settings also, where we have a lot of options. But now when you click on account information, you can also go to the account management here, where, of course, it will get you to this, of course, to Ubisoft on the internet here. You need to put in your details, and there you can go and delete your account. You just need to go and click on close my account when you of course do these steps. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.